Today's Indian youth are very aspirational. The recent surge of entrepreneur-led economic growth is just an example of their power. They are very inventive, they are technology savvy, they are not averse to risk. Their contribution to the growth of the region can be very critical. Every region in India need to support these new age entrepreneurs so that they are able to contribute to the growth of that region. Keeping this in mind, KLE Technological University started Center for Technology Innovation and Entrepreneurship. This center gives all the support facility to the entrepreneur like space, connect with the best talent and also access to the most advanced laboratories. And we are very proud that today 82 companies have been incubated from this center. And at the same time, from this campus, we have graduated 2 companies which have crossed 200 crore valuation.
At KLE Technological University's Center for Technology, Innovation and Entrepreneurship, we strive to provide an ecosystem so that our entrepreneurs are successful. We have 30,000 square feet of world-class incubation space. We have state-of-art testing and verification and validation facilities. We have a large network of mentors who are domain experts. We have been considered as a benchmark for our innovation culture and entrepreneurship in Tier 2 cities of the country.
KLE CTI is recognized as a TIE 2.0 center by METI. This means startups or budding entrepreneurs can avail funding at idea stage under the Entrepreneurship in Residence program. Funding is also available at prototype stage under the grants program under the same scheme. CTI is also a Nidhi Seed Support Scheme center, which means startups can now avail funding for scaling up activities up to 1 crore rupees. We're very fortunate to have been supported by the Government of Karnataka and industry body like India Electronics and Semiconductor Association to establish a unique incubation center called Hubli ESTM Exchange. This is an exclusive incubation center for all the ESTM startups in the state today. The state-of-art idea to prototype ESTM lab and access to EDA tools from Cadence and Mentor help startups to prototype their products rapidly and efficiently and get the products to the market at a faster pace.
I'm a part of the consortium model established at KLE Technological University, Hubli, earlier as a student and now as a co-founder of a startup in this campus. This is a very unique and effective model that one can have in an education institution where researchers, academicians, faculties, students and in-campus startups come together, collaborate, align their mindsets and come up with intelligent products and solutions that has the potential of commercialization. This kind of exposure to R&D and hands-on experience with trending technologies developed by startups in campus, there is a wave of boost in the entrepreneurial spirit across the campus, not just in students but even in faculty and other stakeholders. Because one man can only go so far, but with such a vibrant and supportive ecosystem, imagination quickly becomes the limit.
Going forward, this center is creating state-of-the-art facilities in various emerging areas like artificial intelligence, data engineering, electrical mobility, and many more technologies. I believe these facilities will help the future tech entrepreneurs to grow their businesses. I invite all the entrepreneurs. I invite the students who are looking at entrepreneurship as an option to come to KLE Technological University campus and work with us. Both of us together can make a big difference to this region.